So join us today as we show you what you can see and do around Longleat on foot. Check out our videos from the past few weeks showing you so much more of what you can do and see during your day at Longleat, most of which is included in your entrance fee. Okay, before we check out any more animals, let's have some lunch. There are toilets in here along with indoor and outdoor seating, and the food prices are actually really good. Plus, of course, there are more gift shops in this area. There is this rocking rhino ride. I'm not sure if this has an extra charge or not though. Then there is what is claimed to be the UK's largest hedge maze. I bet inside this fort is amazing for children. Quite rightly though, we didn't go in and film. And here is another gift shop. Right, let's go and find some animals. Our first find is the fennec fox. Oh my goodness, how cute is he? It looks like they do